Hello everyone, welcome to our channel 5 Minute Finance. In today's video, we'll take you through the complete process to file ITR 1, from gathering the necessary documents to filing out the form accurately and submitting it online. We'll cover it all. By the end, you'll have the knowledge and confidence to file your ITR 1 like a pro. So first, let's understand who needs to file ITR 1. If you are a salaried individual, you have income from house property, have income from other sources like interest from banks, dividends and agricultural income up to 5,000 rupees, and your total income is less than 50 lakh rupees, this form is for you. Now, if you're not sure which ITR form you should use to file your tax returns this year, don't worry and watch our other video on how to pick the right ITR form. The link is in the description below. Now, before you proceed to file ITR 1, you have to prepare yourself for the process. So first of all, make sure you have certain forms handy. ITRs are annexure-less forms, so you don't need to attach any document like proof of investment, TDS certificates along with your return. But you need to keep documents like Form 16, house rent receipts, investment proofs, insurance premium receipts handy for situations in case you need to produce them before tax authorities. Also ensure that you are a registered user on the e-filing portal with valid user ID and password. Your permanent account number PAN should be active and it should be linked to your Aadhaar. Once you're ready, you can proceed to filing your income tax. So here's the step-by-step guide to file ITR 1. So first of all, you have to log into the e-filing portal using your user ID and password. Then on your dashboard, you have to click e-file, go to income tax returns and then go to file income tax return. Now here you have to select assessment year as 2023-24 and mode of filing as online, then click continue. In case you have already filed the income tax return and it is pending for submission, click resume filing or you may start new filing. Then select status as applicable to you and click continue to proceed further. Then you have to select the ITR form that is applicable to you to file your tax returns. Next, you have to select the reason to file the income tax return. So as in most cases, if you are filing tax returns because your income exceeds the basic exemption limit, select that option. Now pay special attention here. As per the income tax rules, in some cases, even if the total income of the person is below the basic tax exemption limit, but the person has incurred heavy expenses, as you can see here, he or she will have to file ITR. So if your reason is one of these, after you select your reason, click continue. Now, you will see your ITR 1 form which has been auto-filled by the IT department. The pre-filled form eases the tax filing process. But before you proceed to paying your tax for the year, you need to review, edit if required and validate all the pre-filled details in all the 5 sections. So let's take a look at them. Number 1 is personal information. Here you can edit your contact details, filing type details and bank details. If you wish to opt for the new tax regime, you can do so in this section. Number 2 is gross total income. Here you need to review your income source details from salary or pension, house property, interest income, family pension and so on. You can also add details of exempt income if any. Then number 3 is total deductions. It's self-explanatory. So here you can edit or confirm any deductions applicable to you. Number 4 is tax paid. In this section, you need to confirm taxes already paid by you in the previous year. Now, it can be in the form of TDS from salary, advance tax or self-assessment tax. Then we have number 5, total tax liability. Now, this section shows total tax that you owe to the government based on your income and deductions. Now, here, in case there is no tax liability or if you are eligible for a refund based on tax computation, you will be taken to the preview and submit your return page. But if you are liable to pay tax based on the computations and calculations, you have to click on pay now. You will be taken to e-pay tax service. Now click continue. Once your payment is successful through the e-filing portal, you will see a success message on your screen. After that, you have to click back to return filing to complete filing of ITR. Now on the preview and submit your return page, you have to select the declaration checkbox and click proceed to preview. Here you can preview your return and click proceed to validation. Once validated, click proceed to verification. Now on the complete your verification page, select your preferred option and then click continue. It is mandatory to verify your return and e-verification is the easiest way to verify your ITR. It is quick, paperless, and safer than sending a signed physical ITR 5 to CPC by speed post. So you can click on E-Verify now and verify your income tax filing using Aadhaar OTP. If you select to E-Verify later, you can submit your return, but you will be required to verify your return within 30 days of filing your ITR. And if you select the third option, Verify via ITR 5, you need to take a printout of the ITR 5, sign it, and then send to the address mentioned by speed post within 30 days. Once you E-Verify your return, you'll see a success message along with the transaction ID and acknowledgement number on your screen. You'll also receive a confirmation message on your mobile number and email ID registered on the e-filing portal. This wraps up this video. For any queries, feel free to ask in the comments below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share this video with your friends who are going to file their returns for the first time.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.